Good morning. My name is Mike. I am the UGC dad, and currently I'm doing laundry. And I'm going to fold my underwear right in front of you. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I am just so damn busy lately with projects for various brands that I just don't have time to do anything for myself. So I'm sure you're aware I have two other channels that kind of keep me hopping. One is where I focus on dash cam reviews, and one is where I review outdoor products like flashlights and stuff like that. And every week, I would say I get no less than, say, 3 to 4 packages from brands to make videos on. And then the way it works is a lot of times I'll put these videos, or I'll make these videos for the brands on Amazon, because that's where they want to have their main product featured, because that's where the people are actually watching and they're shopping and they're buying and they're clicking and they're doing it all on that one platform. YouTube is great, TikTok is great, Instagram is great, but that's for building your own brand. These brands want their brand promoted where people are going to buy them. So AliExpress and Amazon in particular has this thing called the Amazon Influencer Program. You apply for it. You need to have an engaged community already within your social structure, your social medias. And I do, kind of. So when I applied, I got it. And once you're in there, brands just start reaching out. They just go crazy and they start sending you stuff. So I usually get about a dash cam a week, and usually a flashlight or two a week. And then I get a lot of our little things. Like I got a laser level the other day, and what else did I get? That was a little bit off. Not usually what I deal with, but I got a car stereo, for example, and things like that. And it's finding the time to make the video and edit the video and post the video and get it going. So I just don't have time for my YouTube channels, because I make money from Amazon, from the Amazon Influencer Program. I make more money from it than I do from, say, YouTube AdSense. And Canadians like myself don't have access to the TikTok shop, though I really wish I did. I mean, the TikTok shop would be fantastic. But right now, you do what you got to do to make what you have to make. Oh, look, long underwear. You should always have a pair of long underwear, especially if you're in Canada. So that's why I've just been busy. And the real purpose of this video was just to say that you've probably noticed that a lot of my other videos that I've posted have all been videos that I've made on Amazon. And I do that more or less for my own sake, because I don't want to lose those videos. And once you put a video up on Amazon, you don't really have access to it like you would with YouTube. Like with YouTube, if I post a video, I can go back later and download it and then edit it as I see fit. I also have 20 terabytes of storage that I poke around on, that I try and save everything on. But that adds up really quick. I mean, when you start pushing out as many videos as I do every week, it just eats up all this storage. So I kind of like to take the finished product, put it on YouTube, and then if I need it later, I can pull it down and slice and dice and make a new salad out of it. But I'm just telling you, not telling you, asking you, I guess, mentioning it to you, that you should consider creating an Amazon influencer page if you have the opportunity to do it. Because I have, for example, a friend of mine on YouTube that makes cooking videos. That would be Andre. And he makes fantastic food, and I just love eating this stuff. And his videos are pretty compelling too. That's the kind of guy that can get a brand deal probably pretty easy, and just have companies send him knives and smokers and meat thermometers and all kinds of stuff. And he'd get paid for it. And then there's Brian, my buddy Brian, Ghost Brian. I bet you the apps are a whole different aspect, but I bet you there's other things out there like infrared cameras, or the machines that pick up spirit noises, like spirit boxes and stuff. They could probably have a heyday with him. Paul, you do travel videos. So there's all kinds of stuff. Like right now I'm using this tripod, and I'm using a iPhone case, and then there's a light sitting on top of it. companies like that, they still want people making videos for them. Brands are everywhere out there. You just got to go out and hunt them down. Or better yet, they come to you. Okay, so that's all I had to say. This is just a quick little 5-minute video talking about the benefits of making videos on other platforms and explaining where all this time goes. Man, time just flies sometimes. You have no time for your own stuff. Like this weekend, I'm gonna go to a cottage with some buddies, and when I'm there, I have to make content. I'll have spare bodies with me, so I'm going to use them to help me make some flashlight videos, some headlamp videos mainly. Just no time. So I don't know how young people push out a lot of content, but there's guys out there that put out a lot of content. And I try and put out 3 to 4 videos a week. So that's a lot of content. Okay, I'm going to get back to my laundry. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my ramble. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. And this is my beautiful basement. Very exciting, I know.